To create a course like this using AI is very much possible. You do need to have structure though. You need to have all of your links in one place, all of your resources in one place, everything in one place, so that when you're telling the AI to code the course that looks like this for you, it makes it easy. I want to show you how to create your own course and have that digital product and start generating income online with courses. Let's jump right in. Of these LLMs, your ChatGPT, your Groks, your Claude codes very well. This lesson is about Canva coding, but of course you can use any LLMs to do that. I got ChatGPT to write me a day 1, day 2, day 3 of what you want to teach the people. This video course, I'm teaching how to use CapCut, and I got him to break it down into lessons and tips and what they need to do for the day and goals, etc. I then added this to a Google Doc. The reason I added it to a Google Doc was to add links to the videos that I've created. So I recorded all of these videos of me teaching how to log in on CapCut, how to do what, etc. up until day 14. I want to show you the tip that Google Drive cannot be accessed by the internet softwares and the AI. So I started off as Google Drive and it didn't work. It kept on blocking me. So if you're thinking Google Drive, let me save you some headache. It doesn't work. Replace all of your Google Drive links with either YouTube or Vimeo, a platform that is accessible by these computers. So I then went ahead and added all of my videos, and then I added the YouTube links. So this is very important. The structure of your course is very important for the AI tool to know exactly how to create your course for you. I really got help from ChatGPT on how the course should look like, how the colors, etc. You of course can change that to exactly your brand and how you would like to have it. While you are using your ChatGPT, after you've created those links on YouTube, you're more than welcome to come back to your ChatGPT or your LLM and you tell him, add the link for me so that I can take it to Canva. And then ChatGPT is going to replace the links and add all of the video links that you gave to him. And then your code is ready. You can then copy the code exactly as ChatGPT has done for you. Copy this and then head over to Canva to add it on Canva Code. And I'm going to select Canva and I'm going to choose code and I'm going to paste my code here with the links from YouTube, and then we want to see our results and see how it looks like. Your course is done. All you do now, you open it in editor so that you can make changes. We know now with Canva Code, you're able to make changes like color. There's limited things that you can do to make changes, but there are changes available for you to make. So you open it as a website. If you want to publish it as a website, it depends on how you want to host the course that you've created. And once you've opened it up in design, it's always available, but the code is always going to be under your Canva code, and the conversation is going to be there if there are changes that you would like to make on the course. The links didn't immediately work because the first time I did this, the links were on Google Drive, and I told you this. So use YouTube because the Google Drive doesn't open on Canva and you're going to get frustrated. Like I was. We eventually figured it out that we have to bypass the YouTube system. I went back to Canva AI coding and then I gave instruction to say that this doesn't work, and there were a couple of versions that he fixed. And after few tries, I think we were on version 5, the course actually was perfect the way that I wanted, where people can tick when they are done and they can do it at their own pace, and it has all of the instructions and the tips and everything that was requested by me with the help of ChatGPT. It's interactive. The workaround that the Canva Code gave to me is to give an instruction. When somebody gets here, they copy this link, it opens up on YouTube, and then they can watch the course. They can come back and make the ticks of exactly how they have found the course material. They can just go on their browser and then paste the link, and then they have access to the video that I've created.
Good morning, Inner Circle.
As unlisted. And that for me was super duper amazing. And on the phone it looks like this. Of course you can make your tweaks and the changes, but it is stunning, stunning, stunning. So in order for you to publish the design, you're going to go to share and you're going to publish as a website, and then you'll have a website that you can then name it or URL it the way that you want, and then you can sell the course or give it for free. It's up to you. It's just way, way, way too easy to create a course using AI. If you enjoyed this video, you can go watch this next one that's going to help you create a game with coding. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you with our next video.